Thanksgiving party. So ini-expect ko po ang inyong kasiyahan at palakpakan. By the way, my name is CJ Reyes. So I'll be your host for tonight. So magsasama-sama tayo sa gabing puno ng selebrasyon, saya at syempre pasasalamat. So this year, this annual tradition caps the very successful year for the Robles family. And syempre, para sa Santa Lucia and for their group of companies. So this is the time to celebrate and thank all the people behind their success. So again, welcome po sa inyong lahat. So this night, this was prepared, of course, by the Robles family. And syempre, kung nakita kanina niyo po ang ating ears choral, and syempre si Mr. Josh Espinosa, ang ating saxophonist, marami pa po tayo special guests na dapat makaabangan. Kaya naman po, isang matinding malakpakan po ulit at pasasalamat of course sa ating Robles family for staging this event. Syempre, to gladly welcome all of you and thank you for being a part of this celebration, may we call on stage one of the sons of Mr. and Mrs. Exie and the Big Robles. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jason Robles.
Okay, you know what guys, the spirit of the season is very much alive among the members of the Santa Lucia group of companies. So tonight po, hindi lang po sineselebrate ang success and Thanksgiving. Of course, ito yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito, yung advocacy ng Santa Lucia Group para makatulong sa ating mga less fortunate brothers and sisters. Of course, we celebrate the season reaching out to all of them and putting a smile on their faces. So everyone, panoorin po natin ito.